Hello students, in last video I told you about the basic concept of Java programming, like variable, constant, identifier and data type also. And today I'm going to tell you about variable declaration. Okay. Variable declaration. Okay, what is this variable declaration? This is just a declaration that what type of variable we are going to take in the program. Okay, if we want to take a variable, then it is necessary to first declare a variable in the program. This is what we are going to study. Okay, how can we declare a variable? Okay, if we want to declare a variable, so first there is need of data type. And variable name and terminate. This is semicolon, end of the line. Okay, this line or this statement is called variable declaration. Okay, in this variable declaration, first data type and after that variable name. You can write any name of the variable, but the rule must be there should be follow the identifier rule. Okay, there is another way to declare a variable, that is like data type, that is data type and variable name is equal to value. Okay, this is the another way to declare a variable. You can use any one of these two. Let me write here or. Okay, you can use this or this. In this second concept, same thing is there. Variable data type, variable name is equal to value. Okay, here if we write a variable assignment operator and value, this is called initialization. It means we can say that this is variable declaration cum initialization. Okay, how it is possible? Let me show you using an example. First data type, suppose I'm taking integer, then variable name I'm taking a. This is terminate. This is variable declaration. Okay, if I'm writing the second type, we can write like integer x is equal to 5. Here the second type is like this. This is variable declaration. This is also a variable declaration using initialization. Okay, int x is variable declaration and x is equal to 5 is called initialization of the variable. Okay, this is called variable declaration. It is not necessary to use always integer. You can use your data type as per your requirement, as per your value. Okay, we can also declare like this: integer a comma b comma c. It means we can declare a variable, many variables using a single data type like this. It means a is of integer type, b is of integer type, and c is also a integer variable. Okay, here 3 variables can be declared in a single line. Okay, it is not necessary to declare always integer. Let me use another variable, like I'm using double y. or we can use like character ch. Okay, this is the variable declaration. Okay, using this technique you can declare a variable in your program. If you are going to write a program, Java program or any computer programming, you are doing programming, then there's need variable declaration, and this is the way to declare a variable. Okay, thank you.